my name is Finest Beauty. Welcome to Finest Beauty Glam Squad. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to do a purple smoky eye, and if you want to see how I'm going to achieve this look, make sure you watch till the end. So the wig that I'm going to be wearing in this tutorial is this beautiful hair. It's I was making this wig last night actually. So the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using in this tutorial are going to be this Huda Beauty palette, and this one is also a Huda Beauty palette. This one is in the neon pigment. This other one is Desert Dusk palette. Yeah, so I'm going in with these purple shades, and from this palette I'm going to use this yellow shade and the orange one for my transition colors, to use some pigment just to make the purple really smoky and vibrant as well. So let's get started.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night, coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Finishing up with the pigments, and I'm adding some pigment on the light purple that is underneath.
The street lights lit this town like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
Okay, now that I've put eyelashes, I'm going to go straight into foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to mix Fix Me foundation and Pretty foundation. Okay, so I'm going to mix this foundation together with this one.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night, coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. The street lights lit this town like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
So you guys, this is the finished look.
Tonight we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight.
Double tap on my pick slip. Come over, baby, you can use my toothbrush. King
You make it all look easy. That you might be this, yeah.
If you like how I achieved this look, make sure you leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. See you in my next video. Bye.